Hello, today we are going to start about chapter 2, components of food. So what is components of food? We have learned in the previous chapter that food is essential for the body as it keeps us healthy. Food also helps in the growth of our body. Food contains some useful substances that organisms need to live and grow. These useful components are called nutrients. These useful components are called nutrients. The food we eat contains five main nutrients as shown in the flowchart. Now, type of nutrients I'll do. Type of nutrients. So now type of nutrients. But before that, one more time I am repeating. What is nutrients? Why food is important for us? So, food contains some useful substances that organisms need to live. So we need food to survive. First of all, we need food to survive. And food is having some components or substance that help us to stay fit or stay healthy. And that components are or that nutrients are now. Number one, carbohydrates. Number two, fats. Number three, proteins. Number four, vitamins. Number five, minerals. So these five are types of nutrients. Now we'll go by one. First, what is carbohydrates? I'll make you understand. They are the source of energy. So carbohydrates are the source of energy. The food items containing carbohydrates are called energy giving foods. Means the which foods contain giving us energy, that foods are called carbohydrates. Now some examples are there. They are present in our food in mainly two forms, starch and sugar. In starch, potato, bread, rice are sources of starch. And sugar, example of sugar, if I go for the glucose. Glucose is a simple carbohydrate. It is usually utilized by the body to release energy. It is for the reason that glucose is given to patients who are require energy urgently. When you are going to hospital, the doctor used to give us saline. That saline is called glucose. That the doctor used to give, providing us with salines, and that saline is urgently required glucose need by the patients, and that saline is called, we can also call that is glucose. Fruits, honey, table sugar are rich in glucose. Number two, fats. They also provide us energy. In fact, that they gives us twice the energy than carbohydrates. This gives us twice the energy than carbohydrates. Gives food items containing fats are called energy giving foods. And the coconut oil, nuts, almonds, butter, cream are rich in fats. On the basis of the source from which fats are obtained, they are classified into two types, animal fats and plant fats. What is animal fat? Animal fats are two types. Animal fats, plant fats. Now, what is animal fats? Oh, sorry. This is also two types: starch and sugar. Now, here fats two types: animal fats and plant fats. What is animal fats? Animal fats. We can also say that milk products like butter, ghee are sources of animal fats. We are getting from animals. That's why that is known as animal fats. Vegetables also are source of plant fats, means which oil is providing by the plant or vegetables. They are known as plant fats. Fats keep the body warm. Extra fats are stored in the body, and if stored in excess, it causes obesity. Number three, proteins. They help in building new cells and repairing worn out cells. Sometimes we are cutting our skins, our hands. So when the skins are cutting out, that time after few days, again it is means that cutting wound place is becoming good, or it is nurturing good. So that cutting wound is specialized by the cells. Now this proteins helps to building new cells and repairing worn out cells. The food items containing proteins are called bodybuilding foods. They also regulate body functions and protect from body from infections. On the basis of the source from which proteins are obtained, they are classified into two types. These are the two types: animal proteins plant proteins. Animal proteins and plant proteins. Proteins which obtained from animal products is known as animal proteins, and proteins which are obtained from plant products are known as plant proteins. Now we'll go for vitamins or vitamins. Vitamins protect our body from diseases. They also help to keep our bones, teeth, gums, and eyes healthy. Food items containing food items containing vitamins are called protective foods. The food items which contain proteins are called protective foods. Now, though vitamins are required by the body in very small quantities, they are very important for the proper functioning of the body. Vitamins of different types: A, B, C, D, E, and K. So, vitamin A, D, E, and K are fat soluble vitamins, and vitamin B and C are water soluble vitamins. So, vitamin A, D, E, and K are fat soluble vitamins. So, B and C are water soluble vitamins. Now, we'll go for minerals. Minerals like vitamins, minerals are also required by the body in very small quantities. So we have understand vitamins and minerals are required by the body very small quantities, but are essential for proper functioning. But it is very important for our body. It is essential for our functioning of our body. Food items containing minerals are called protective foods. Food items which contain minerals are called protective foods. Now, sources of function of some minerals: iron is there, calcium, phosphorus, iodine. These are the minerals, but it helps or it functions. Like iron helps in essential for the formation of hemoglobin. When a patient is for the making of blood in our body, which makes blood in our body is known as hemoglobin. So iron is very important for making hemoglobin. Calcium, like eggs, milk, cheese, meat, these are the examples. Essential for bones, stronger bones, and essential for stronger teeth. Phosphorus, example like cheese, milk, nuts, ragi. It keeps our bones and teeth strong. Iodine, iodized salt, fish, seafood. These are the example of iodine, and it helps to prevent goitre and keep the body healthy. Now you have to prepare. I'll give two questions. You just prepare these questions. Two questions I'll give. Homework. Define cellulose. Define nutrients. Name the 5 different types of nutrients. So this is your homework. So thank you very much. I hope you'll complete your homework and you'll show me.